Hi, it's Rayce Robinson here. Thank you for taking a few minutes and watching this quick video on how to do the best loan application possible. After doing thousands of loans and working with thousands of buyers, especially over the last couple years with everything getting more and more strict, I wanted to do this quick video to help you right up front to know exactly what you can submit and do to make sure your loan gets approved with the least amount of issues and also the least amount of aggravation on your part. And that's one of the reasons I really want to do this video, is buyers do get aggravated with the process because the underwriter's job has gotten stricter and stricter on what they require. So right off the bat, the first thing is your bank statements. The underwriter is going to review 2 full months of bank statements. There has to be at least 60 days worth of transactions. And they're going to go through those bank statements and actually look at every single transaction, and any deposit we have to explain and usually source, which means if you got gift money of $400 or $500 for, say, Christmas or birthday or something like that, we probably need to get a canceled check and a letter of explanation that will help you write to prove where that money came from. Both Fannie, Freddie, FHA, and VA, even USDA, all require us to source all the deposits in your account. And it's one of the things that aggravate the buyers the most. Also, if you have transfers from another account and it's a substantial transfer, say you've transferred $600, $700, $800, even if you have a lot of money in your account, unfortunately the underwriter is required to prove where that transfer came from and get the documentation on that account. So if you're not clear, give me a call, but all these deposits have to be sourced as part of the underwriting process. One of the things you can do is you can either get 2 months bank statements. You can also go to your bank and get a 60-day printout from your bank. You can try to print it online. The problem we have with online is any printout has to have your account name, your account number, and the bank name. Also, none of the account number can be blackened out by you. You can't cross anything out or scratch anything out. Also, even if you don't have it now, we'll eventually have to show the escrow money, the money you put as deposit on the contract, coming out of that account. And so when that money clears, we'll get a printout from whatever date that cleared your account back to the last statement date that you have given us. So bank statements are one of the things I want to cover right up front. Definitely call me if you have any question. Also, gift money, if you're getting money from a retirement account or gift funds, we have to show the transfer of that money. And if you have a family member, somebody giving you a gift, we have to even get bank statements from them showing how and that they had the ability to give you that gift. And then if it's money from an IRA, we've got to get a current IRA statement or 401k statement, show that money coming from the IRA or 401k, and then show that money coming into your account. So again, call me any questions that you have on the bank statement part of things. Payroll, they're required to at least have 30 days worth of pay stubs and 2 years or 1 year, depending on tax returns. We have to be able to get your income. So if you're a salaried employee, it'll be very easy. But if you get hourly wages and your hours fluctuate, bonuses or overtime, we're probably going to need more help from you and from your employer to get what those numbers are. Also, on your tax returns, we need all the W-2. So if you've worked part-time jobs, not just the W-2 from your main job, and we got to go back 2 years. So we need the W-2 from really any job that you've worked in the last 2 years. And on the tax returns, make sure you sign them. Even though those aren't necessarily official copies, we need them signed or acknowledged by you to be able to use those tax returns. And then any big deductions that you have that you know about, you may want to let us know right up front, but we will be reviewing the tax returns as well. We need a clear copy of your driver's license and social security card. A lot of times what people do is, because those won't fax, sometimes they won't scan well, is you can take a picture with your phone and then email that directly from your phone. That might be an easy way to get clear pictures of your driver's license and your social security card. And then inquiries. We're required to look at your credit report, and we've listed out in the email that we just sent you all the inquiries that are showing up on your credit report. We need to know what those are from. For instance, if you were getting another mortgage company to pull your credit, or you had a credit card company, up your limit, or you've applied for a new credit card. We need to know what they're from, and we need to know if you've opened any new trade lines. For instance, if we see a Target credit pool, we need to know, did you open up a new Target credit card, and is it already showing on your credit report? So that's something that's important, and that's already, the inquiries should already be listed in this email. Down at the bottom of the email, there's going to be a list of different things like declining income, or if you have child support, or if you've had a bankruptcy, foreclosure, short sales. Make sure you read those and see if any of those apply to you. And if they do, read the instructions or call me for any questions. Okay, so that's kind of it. Definitely take the time to review the entire email. I just wanted to do this video because these are the things that I know that people have questions on. And if we can get all this up front, the loan process goes very smooth. And definitely call me anytime during the process or when you're getting the documents together if you have any questions on anything at all. Okay, have a great night or evening or day, and call me. My contact information is down below, or my assistant anytime, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.